Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In this video, we are going to discuss the BGE Energizing Small Business Grant. This is the second round of funding. It's for businesses that are located in the state of Maryland. You have to have a for-profit business founded in 2020 or prior to 2020. You must be in good standing with the state of Maryland, a maximum of 25 employees. Annual gross revenue is in 2021 less than $7 million. And you also must demonstrate the need for funding to support businesses. And they're looking for businesses that serve their local community. Okay. So we're going to get in depth and I'm going to show you the application, the process to apply for this grant. You want to stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll tell you where and how you could apply for this grant. As mentioned before, this is the second round of funding for this BGE Energizing Small Business Grant. BGE is pledging $15 million to assist Maryland small businesses with COVID-19 relief and recovery. Okay, so we already went over some of the eligibility, but you must have a business account. That's preferred, but you can have a residence account, a BGE account. And they want you to identify your account number, the street address, the city that you live in, and also the county in the application. Okay, so some of this stuff, like question 9, you must be a minority, or not must be. They want you just to identify if you're a minority business. So the first few questions is going to be about what type of certifications you will have, and just about your business. If you're chosen, they want you to see if you are able to take pictures if you're chosen for this grant. Finally, we get to the part where it's asking about who you are as a person. And if you don't prefer not to say, you don't have to pick those. But they're trying to see the age range, any disabilities, what type of nationality you are, and also what type of, if you're part of the LGBTQ plus community. And then they get to questions 30. They get to your business and what type of industry you are. And when you see these essay questions, if you've been following me, I always say answer the essay questions. It is important. So you have some essay questions in here. Is about 2 or 3 of them. Actually, it's about 5 of them. Okay, so this is a 62 question, actually 63 questionnaire. The last 3 questions is some compliance stuff, but they do have a section that's called the most important part. You want to fill that part out. Okay, and be persuasive. You have a max character limit in most of these, and it's 250. They're telling how your business came about. They're asking you how your business came about. What are the current challenges? What is keeping you up, keeping your business up and growing? And have you ever received any other loans? And how would you use the $20,000 to accelerate your business in 2022 and beyond? They want you to be specific as possible. What are the goals for the business? There you have it, folks. So it's about 63 questions. I encourage you, if you are in the Maryland area, please apply for this grant. It's for everybody. Any business that's in Maryland, any small business that's in Maryland, you can apply for this loan. You could apply for this loan. The link is in the description section. Also, I tell everyone throughout my videos, especially my grant videos, if you want to apply for a grant, it will be beneficial to you to sign up for Hello Alice. helloalice.com. That link is also in the description section. Set a profile up for your business so you can get the information too. You don't have to necessarily watch my YouTube channel to get some of the grant information that I get. You could also have that information before I make a video about it. Even though I love you guys, I really appreciate you watching my videos. But like I said, you could also get that information as well. Okay, so I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.